Friends, to solve this mathematical expression, we follow the BODMAS PEMDAS rule, which indicates the order of operation. Specifically for nested brackets, we work from the innermost to the outermost in the order. Now, here is a V BODMAS vinculum. V stands for vinculum, a bar you can see over the numbers, then round brackets, curly bracket, square bracket, and then after O stands for of, multiplication, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So always work inside out. Always treat the brackets like an onion. Peel away the innermost layer, parenthesis or a vinculum first and work your way to the outer shell. Now we'll go and break it down expression solution. So first solve the expression under the vinculum bar. So there is a 9 minus 3 and over the bar indicates it must be solved first even before the round brackets. So it equals to 6 and the expression becomes 39 minus square bracket 23 curly bracket 29 minus then small bracket 17 minus 6. Now step 2, solve the round brackets. Next we perform the subtraction inside the parentheses. So there is a 17 minus 6 equals to 11 and expression becomes 39 minus square bracket 23 minus curly bracket 29 minus 11. Now square bracket off. Step 3, solve the curly braces. Now we address the subtraction inside the braces as you can see. So curly braces in there, 29 minus 11 equals to 18. Now the expression becomes, if there is a minus sign directly outside a bracket, remember that where you open the brackets, every sign inside change, plus becomes minus and minus becomes plus. So now step 4, solve the square bracket, solve the remaining operation inside the brackets. So there is a 23 minus 18 and after you will get 5, expression becomes 39 minus 5. Now finally we subtract the values and perform the last operation and get the final result. So 34, the value of the expression is 34. The value of the expression is 34. Remember, don't try to solve multiple brackets in your head. Rewriting the entire expression after every single calculations prevents small arithmetic errors that ruin the final result. And I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. Bye-bye.